Hello friends, in this video we are going to check how we can able to enter a single character by using scanner class in Java programming. So the scenario is to enter a single character. Till now what we saw how to enter the integer, how to enter a decimal number, double type, how to enter string. Now we are going to do the character entry. So if someone will ask you to enter your section number, section means section ABC, grade ABCD, so likewise this type of data will be represented in character. Fine. So if I need to enter a single character, how can I enter? I can take the example of the method next. Next method is for string entry dot character at index number. So why we need to use the combination of two methods over here? Because Java doesn't have any method called next character. Next character, it like like immediately when someone will ask how to enter a character, if I am very habituated to next method, I may tell next character, but it is completely wrong. Java doesn't support a method, or it doesn't have any method called next character. So how exactly Java it will work for character entry? We need to treat the whole string entry, fine, by using next or next line. Then we need to use a specific index number to enter a single character, that may be 0 or 1 or any positive index number. So how can we write the code over here? We need to use one scanner class object. Fine. Now after entering the scanner class object, so this dot. So after entering the scanner class object, what we need to do? Here we need to use the method called next method dot character at index number is 0. This is what the way of entering the single character. So before using the way, I need to create a character variable. Let us say it is let us say it is grade. Then to accept the value for grade through keyboard, I may write grade equal to scanner object dot next character at 0. This is the way it will accept the input. This is the way it will accept the input through keyboard, and it will store it in grade. So now let us check how can we write a code for it. I'm just using the same project and core Java project 1. Let me create a new class, single character input. I'm just enabling this public method for main. Let me close all other programs which is not just a moment. Let me close all other program. Just a moment. It's done. Fine. Now let me delete the unwanted data. Let us give us program statement, enter the grade and display. Fine. So for that reason I need to use the character grade. Fine. So obviously we need to use scanner class object. So parameter is system.in. Now we need, as it is under util package, we need to import java.util.scanner. It is done. Now one output statement to enter the grade. It is done. Now as we discussed, it will be not in normal way, it will be like scanner object dot next dot character art. You can able to see dot character art method over here, and the index number is 0 because we are entering a single character. So my job is done. It is a combination of next dot forwarded by character art method to accept a single character input. Now I need to, one sec, I need to print the value of grade. What exactly we entered, that is grade. My job is done. So it will accept the character. In this place I can enter any character and I can display it over here. So let me just execute the code. Either you can execute like this or you can click on the run button directly. Whatever you want you can do. So it's asking me to enter the grade, let's say A. So the value of grade is A. It is displaying. So my single character entry through character art forwarded by next method forwarded by character art is working fine. So I hope it is clear for everyone. Let me just go back to the Excel sheet and show you like how exactly it works. See this, exactly the method is this one which we discussed over here. It is not a normal next character method, it is next dot character art method. Index number is 0. So I hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you so much for watching the video. Happy learning.